Good afternoon, welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to show you how I make gołąbki, traditional Polish style stuffed cabbage. It will be a bit longer video as there are many components to it, but the good news, you can freeze those. Very easy to freeze. You feel like having gołąbki, you just defrost some and here you go. So when I do make them, I make much more than I need for one day. Also on top of those gołąbkis, I will be putting tomato sauce, and tomato sauce will be included in that video. Welcome. Hey guys, I've got good news. Cabbage tomorrow. No? What do you mean no? It's good stuff. Gołąbki. Stuffed cabbage. So for stuffed cabbage, of course, I need to boil cabbage, and I do cut the root out pretty deep. The reason why is when I peel the leaves off, it's much easier when I have this cut here. One is already boiling, and I put some salt and some soy sauce in it because I do like the extra flavor. So I have a leaf that's ready to be taken out, and as you see, the color does change. It becomes a little darker, and the best way to describe it is it becomes a bit transparent. So I'll just take the leaves in another dish, and one by one, every couple minutes, there will be one more and one more until the whole cabbage is done. Just like this. And see how nicely they come off because of that big cut I made. Once your cabbage cools off, take those stems out as they're really hard, and it will be difficult to create that shape you want for the stuffed cabbage. I learned the hard way. Also, I do not throw the leaves that are ripped apart. I shred and I saute with some salt, pepper, and if you like garlic, put some garlic in. And this will go into my rice and mushrooms and saute onions and the ground turkey. I will mix it in, and it will just have a better flavor, and it's not gonna be so dry. Nothing gets wasted, everything gets incorporated into food and still tastes good. Some pepper, some salt, and if you like garlic, tiny bit of garlic. I like this crispiness to it, and kind of like I wanted to give you a close look at it. The brownish color to it, it is what makes the flavor even better. If you have any leftover cabbage for tossing it away, put it in a bag. When my husband comes back from work and I cook anything with cabbage, cauliflower, or broccoli, first words, "What smells so bad?" So I learned to put it in a bag. Now it is time to make the sauce for gołąbki. What I need is chicken broth, tomato sauce, tomato paste, not much, just a little bit of brown sugar, it does give that nice flavor to it, salt and pepper, my secret, pesto. It is a tomato pesto. I love it. So that's my secret to this sauce. Some people do like to put oregano. I'm not a big fan of oregano. For some reason, oregano just doesn't sit well with me. So I'm not going to, but please, if you like it, go ahead. And to make it a bit creamier, I can use either heavy whipping cream or sour cream. It's really your choice which one, both work. And this sauce will go on top of stuffed cabbage, If the sauce for you is too thin, you can always add a little bit of flour to thicken up the sauce. But for me, it looks good. I don't need anything else. What I have here is rice, cooked rice, almost cooked. I shortened the amount of cooking about 2 minutes because those stuffed cabbages are gonna be still in the oven for at least 40 minutes. So I do not want to overdo on the rice, otherwise it will be smushy. So I put the mushrooms, onions, bacon and butter in, ground turkey in, salt, pepper, any seasoning you like, any seasoning you enjoy. I like to put some soy sauce in it too, and then just mix it all together. And always taste your food. Always taste your food, because it has to be the right amount of everything for you. You know best if you like it or not. The rice should be warm, so the meat kind of doesn't cook, but you know, it incorporates better when you mix it. So here in United States, you can find Maggi in international stores. If not, then soy sauce. But Polish people love this. My husband actually drinks it. He puts it on a spoon and just, he loves the flavor. So for baking gołąbki, I prepared a dish with some olive oil on the bottom and some of the cabbage, so my gołąbki don't burn. I like a crispiness, but I don't like it when they burn. And here I already put the filling, couple of them, and all I do is roll and put it here. Just get the sides in, roll, and put it in the dish one by one until all of them are there. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the railroad. Okay, so when all the cabbage is gone and all is left just small pieces, not enough to really make that shape, I'll show you a trick what I do. I combine 2 leaves and then it works. I am almost done here, but let's say we have leaves that are small and kind of ripped apart. So the easiest thing is to combine 2 of them and then pretend it's one. And still, same thing. It might be perfect shape, but it works. Unfortunately, cabbages are not the same size, and sometimes it's hard to buy the big ones. So one more time, let's see. Combining 2 leaves. This one will be small. It's okay, I love cabbage like that. So I will eat it. And then, here we go. Now my gołąbkis are ready. All I need to do is pour some chicken broth in there. That will prevent them from getting dry and keep them moist. 355 for about 40 minutes. I will double check on them and then decide if they need additional cooking or not. But first they will go in covered. So put aluminum foil on top. I would like to show you what they look like right now. So again, 355 for about 30-40 minutes covered, and then I uncover and bake additional 15 minutes or so until they have this look, this brownish on top. I'm ready to take those out and pour the tomato sauce on top. Gołąbki are ready. Now just have to put plates together. I took my gołąbki out and poured the sauce over them. I will cover it again with the aluminum foil because I want the tomato sauce to really sink in inside the cabbage and, you know, the flavor to develop. And here is my plate for lunch. Let me know if you like those gołąbki. Thank you again. Smacznego. Bon appetit.